Hi everybody, this is the video that you need to watch before you can do your assignment for Unit 1.1 or Unit 1 whole numbers, and I'm going to explain to you how we get to it. So here's the content. Right now, let's see what you can see. So lessons 1.1, first of all, you want to stop here. You want to click on lesson link. And you want to make sure these three things have check marks. If these three things have check marks, you are not ready to move on. They all need to have check marks. You can click in your learning path. You should see check marks for everything. If you do not see check marks for everything, even if you scroll down too, you've got to click on that particular topic that doesn't have a check mark and you need to complete it. So for example, you need to go in, complete any warm-up, presentation, worked examples, scroll through the topic text. You don't have to spend a lot of time there. I don't want you to read the whole thing, just scroll through it, do the practice and do the review. Okay, once you've done that, then you are free to move on to the next thing. And the next thing is the tutor simulation. So the tutor sim you should have already done. You watch the video that explains the tutor sim, and then the tutor sim will pop up for you. The last thing here is Unit 1.3, which has unit assignments and quiz. So our assignments for this particular unit, we're going to have an order of operations assignment, and then once that's complete, we will also have a review assignment. So you can't see the review assignment just yet. It'll pop up soon. And then the last thing will be the quiz. So you will actually have to watch this video before your order of operations will show up. Once you watch the video, that order of operations will pop up for you. You need to watch this video in here explaining exactly how to do your homework, exactly how to turn it in, and then click on any of these links that you need to refer to for how to take a picture of your work, how to scan it, and then you choose one of the following, choose one of the following homework assignments. You can do easy, regular, or challenge, okay? So make sure though that you have completed everything in lesson 1.1, that you have completed the explaining tutor sim video and the actual tutor simulation all the way through. This video explains how to make sure you finish with that, and then you will be able to pop in here, finish this video, and this order of operations drop box will appear, okay? Have a great day.